Hi sweets, I hope that you have a great weekend and now we are back again in business. I saw this new subscription that I haven't heard a lot of it. The name is Oh Yas. I ordered a subscription. I thought it was cool to get another subscription since I can cancel it at any moment that I'm just not satisfied or I just grew tired of it. This is the packaging. Inside I got 4 full-size products. These are the products. They brought a card. I haven't used any of them. I just opened it in order to know what I have to do with my face and what not to do. This is the card that it brought. It has a unicorn. It's kind of cute. It says believing, and in the back of the card you have not the description of the items, just the name of the item and the price point of each one of them. That's why I have kind of a full face makeup. So let's jump to what I'm missing right now. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows and I'm gonna use the Aesthetica angle brush for my eyebrows. I'm gonna use a brow pomade. It is too big or dense. It isn't as small as I would want to help me draw a couple of hairs in the beginning of my eyebrows, but for doing or drawing your arch it is okay, but to be that detail in your eyebrows it wouldn't do. You can fill them and do the rest of the shape. That is a downside, but at least you get the job done and you get a nice shape from it. I'm gonna use the spoolie that the set brought and I'm gonna brush my eyebrows to buff the product in. At least the spoolie is really good because it really brush your eyebrows. So if you want to get that feathery eyebrows, you can actually get it done with this spoolie. Now I'm gonna use the Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette because I want to do a touch of something in my mobile lid. This is how the palette looks inside. It has this holographic thing going on, as in maybe I think that I could use this one in my lid. I'm gonna apply it with my finger to see if I can get anything going on in my lid. Well, to be honest, it is really subtle. I would like something with a little more punch to apply it in my lid, but that means that I can wear it as a highlighter and I wouldn't go nuts. I'm gonna use that one on top of my cheeks. I hope I don't make a mistake, but so far it looks really subtle and nice. I thought that it was going to be a little more noticeable. You can actually wear it in a daily basis and you wouldn't look overly done. I'm gonna change colors and I'm gonna use, I don't know why, but I wanna go with the green one on top of my eyebrows. I think I'm gonna mix the yellow one and the light pink one for the bridge of my nose and for my cupid's bow. But I'm gonna change brush and I'm gonna use a little more dense. That combo looks really nice. This I really like. It is really subtle, so you can use it. It isn't as showing off as some other highlighters that I use to make a comparison, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Aurora palette one, or the Moonshine one. That one's pack a punch. I'm gonna go for the liner and I'm gonna use the Aesthetica brush that the set brought, is this one, and I'm gonna use a gel liner, a black one. Only gonna do a little liner with a little wing. At least it does the job. Now I'm going for the tail of my wing. I'm going to pass the brush with the leftover of the liner or gel liner that I have there, a little bit on the third ending part of my bottom lashes. And I'm gonna use the same brush that I used to apply the shadow there to smudge it a little bit to take the hard edges of it. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and I think I'm gonna apply falsies. So I'm gonna do that, and then we are going to come back to use the lip stuff. Mascara and lashes are done. By the way, I'm using the style So Me from the Azeredo Cosmetics last collection. They were so nice to give me a code for you guys to save a little money when you do your checkout. These are an amazing lashes. You don't feel a thing. You can use them a lot and just clean them and put it again in the tray, and you will get lashes for a really long time. Check that out. It will be in the description box below. Let's just finish the eyes. I'm gonna go back to the Naked Cosmetic palette, and I'm going to use the yellow one to highlight my inner corner. Oh, I like this. I really like this in my inner corner. And I'm gonna apply the same thing in the other eye. I'm dragging it a little bit to the beginning of my bottom lashes and a little bit into my mobile lid. And I'm gonna use for my brow bone the same one that I use in my cheeks, the coral undertone one, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm gonna tap it really lightly there. Now I'm gonna brush it in. And now we're gonna go for lips, and I have these two items. I have this one from Chella. I haven't used this brand, but it was for the eyebrows. It was called the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And it was kind of different packaging because you have the brow pomade and the brush in kind of this same length and diameter thing, because it was like a tubey thing. It was nice. It was if you wanted to have this natural vibe kind of eyebrow, that's the product to go to. Well, at least I like the color. So I'm gonna, and it has a smell, kind of a minty something going on. First, I'm gonna draw my Cupid's bow. Oh, I really like this color. This with a peachy lip gloss or a nude kind of brownie lip gloss, it would look great. I don't even know which color I got. This is from the brand Glow, and it is a semi-matte liquid lip. Thank God I did my eyes the way that I did, because if not, this would look kind of funny. This is it has kind of a, I don't know, the applicator is totally flat. It is like the NYX lingerie line, that it is a flat applicator. This is the same thing. And to be honest, I just waste my time lining my lips, because this totally hides it. I'm gonna go for my bottom. First the center. That was a lot. There. And now the side. Well, sweets, these are my final thoughts. I'm not going to say that I like or dislike the Yes or Yes bag subscription, or whatever the name you may call it. I have a couple of issues with it. First of all, when I subscribe, I wanted to know which kind of a brand they were working with, what could I actually get, what have you get in some other boxes, and I don't know if I did it incorrectly or what was I doing wrong, but the point is that I couldn't You get to the page and either you subscribe or you cannot do anything in the page, which that really annoys me and bugs me because I'm buying something that I don't know what I could possibly get. That draw me back a little bit, but regardless, I wanted to give it a try. For that, I'm happy because I got 4 items in a full size for $15. I got $119. That is a bargain, but I don't like the fact that I don't have any clue of what I could actually get. But I'm gonna stick to it a couple of months and let's see how everything behaves in that period of time. The products, I like the Naked palette, but I think it's overpriced because you pay $32 and I know that you get 6 shades, but they are small and they're good. But usually when you get a highlighter, you want something that it would really pop. That I know is ironic because I said that was a good thing, but besides that is my personal preference. And I said that because of the colors. Actually, you can get the Sleek palette. That brand is really affordable and they really do good things for a lot less money, but you will get a lot more product. But besides that, it was good. It wasn't that it didn't work. It is that I think that you could get something better for less money and more amount of product. The brushes from Aesthetica, I like the Aesthetica as a brand because they do really good brushes. And I like the spoolie. I like the pencil kind of a thing to do your liner. But the brow angle, I wouldn't use it for brows. I would use it as in maybe to apply my liner with a shadow and to just draw my arch, but that would make me need another brush to draw the little hairs that sometimes that I would like to do, especially in the beginning part of my eyebrows, because I couldn't do it with this. But besides that, which is my preference, they're really good brushes, and this retails for $45, so it would kind of be $15 each. The semi matte liquid lip, I like the shade, but I don't like this feeling because since it doesn't dry up, it has this sticky kind of a situation that later on you know that you're gonna get this patchy thing in your lips going on, and is going to have this excess of lipstick near your inner rim of your lips that looks really nasty, or I don't like it. And I like my Chella minty vanilla lip liner thing going on, and I like the color of the packaging, by the way. I really like orange, and I like red, and I like yellow, and I like those bright colors, you can tell. And I like the fact that usually you don't get any flavor or scent or whatever in your lip liner, and with this one you get. So I kind of think that probably that wouldn't chap your lips, and it will help to not be a dry lip liner, because when I was using it, it glides in the lips and it has this really creamy texture that I really enjoyed. I will check if Chella has some other colors. This retails for $20. I think that's a little bit overpriced, but with the extras, yeah, I can manage that. So this is my entire look. I like how my face turned out, besides all the pros and the cons of everything. And by the way, Yes or Yes were so nice to give me a link for you guys to get 10% off on your first month subscription. You have to use the link to get to the site, and it would be discounted on your checkout. That is nice, always to get a discount at something, it is better. So sweets, this is the wrapped up. I hope you like this video. If you did, press the like button. If you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.